BS in PharmSci is a unique program at Northeastern because we have students get hands-on research experience from the first year. So by taking the classroom experience, blending it with the hands-on experience in the lab, students get something unique that brings them to a new level of education that I don't think that they get elsewhere.
Students are completely immersed to the lab experience in our program because they'll actually start freshman year and it continues on until they graduate. And this is where they work towards developing therapeutics for diseases like Parkinson's disease, schizophrenia, and neuropsychiatric disorders.
In high school, I was always interested in chemistry, and I really knew that I wanted to do something with that to have a more global effect. So I found the Pharmaceutical Sciences program, and I just fell in love with it. This program is just really special. I think it's something that I wouldn't be able to find anywhere else.
The PharmSci department has world-renowned professors with research programs, and the students get to work on dedicated research programs that really make a difference.
I am working on a collaboration with the Boston Children's Hospital investigating heart disease and using our microfluidics platform as a validation method. It's really exciting to be working with a hospital and actually work with collaborators here within Northeastern.
This project really allows us to see which would be the best therapy against a cancer that they're suffering from, and also turning the data that we get from these experiments into AI machine learning models that will be able to help doctors and other clinicians make a therapy for these patients.
Our students go out into the biotech and pharmaceutical space through their co-op experience, and they come back as new people.
I have had the chance to work in a big pharmaceutical company, specifically in medicinal chemistry and drug discovery, which was exactly the kind of co-op I was looking for when I applied in the first place. So I was very happy that Northeastern gave me the chance to do that. The level of opportunity has really been a great help to my education and my direction in life when it comes to my career.
By this point, where I've completed both co-ops, wrapping up my last year at Northeastern, I feel like I have a real competitive advantage in applications, because where else are you going to be able to get 2,000–3,000 hours of real academic research experience that I feel like is really unattainable in most other places?